Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick but essential tech tip. Have you ever wanted to watch your favorite late-night shows on your Android TV without waking up the whole house? Well, the best way to do that is by connecting your Bluetooth earbuds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pair these Oraimo FreePods 3 with an Android TV. It's a seamless process once you know where to look, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your earbuds are ready. You'll want to open the charging case or put them in pairing mode, usually indicated by a blinking light. Now take your TV remote and look at the top right corner of your home screen. See that little gear icon? That's your settings. Navigate over there and click it. You'll see a side menu pop up with a bunch of options like network, inputs, and accounts. We're looking for the section titled Remotes and Accessories. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. Go ahead and scroll down. Keep going. There it is. Click on that. This is the hub where your TV manages all its external connections, from game controllers to soundbars. Once you're inside, you'll see an option that says Add Accessory. This is the trigger that tells your TV to start listening for nearby Bluetooth signals. Go ahead and click Add Accessory. Now, your TV screen will change to a searching mode. It might take a few seconds, so don't worry if nothing pops up immediately. Make sure your earbuds are still in pairing mode and kept close to the TV. Within a few feet is usually best. While it's searching, you'll see a spinning icon. This is the TV scanning through all the frequencies to find your specific device. Perfect. Now that it's connected, all the audio from your TV will stream directly into your ears. You can test it by moving through the menu. You should hear those little clicks in your earbuds now. If you ever want to disconnect, you just come back to the same menu. That's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and enjoy your private listening experience. See ya!